Alright, what up, guys? So I finally got some work today. So you guys can see how I make my money. I detail cars. So I basically just clean them, make them look like new. Um, Sitting here having a cup of coffee, and then I'm gonna get baked real quick because I don't have much time. And then we're gonna go clean this truck. Oh shit. Oh. Oh. Yeah, guys. About to head to this detail, clean this car. Here's all my fucking cleaning products and shit, you know what I'm saying? This shit's really good.
Where's my cigarettes?
Glass cleaner. Glass cleaner's really good. Detailers actually use glass cleaner like on everything if they don't have like the time to use plastic shines. Yeah. But anyway, guys, we're gonna head to this detail and it's gonna be fucking fire. Okay, I almost forgot, but I'm just gonna do a quick vlog because I'm all about my business right now. I'm vacuuming the vehicle right now, and I gotta like disinfect everything and shampoo the seats because it smells really bad because a mouse died in there. So let me show you. Alright, guys, it turned out fucking sick. Check it out. It turned out so good. Alright, guys, we're gonna make just one last little segment to the vlog. I'm gonna walk the dogs and get super baked right now. They're getting really anxious because for some reason Mikey kept them locked in the van all day. So anyway, here's old boy. Oh, here's old boy Roy. So freaking cute, it's ridiculous, despite how old he is. And then there's young boy crazy guy. I was just feeding him Mountain Dew because he literally drinks Mountain Dew. That's how crazy he is. Alright, let's get faded. Gotta preheat it. Hear it sizzle and crackle. Oh shit. Oh, 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 oh shit, you guys. Oh.